scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Calculating probabilities for normal distributions is super fast when you follow these 3 simple steps to standardize your bounds and find the total area you need. First, we convert the weight boundaries into z-scores using the mean of 62 and standard deviation of 6. This gives us negative 1.5 and positive 1.83. Next, we find the area in the tails. The small egg area is the left tail, while the extra large area is the right tail, calculated as 1 minus the cumulative probability. Finally, we add these 2 probabilities together to find the total chance of selecting either a small or an extra large egg, which matches our final answer. You got this! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore the mean or bad tail areas. Always use z-tables and sum both tails.